So hey guys, this is Biswajit and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to demonstrate a problem that we faced previously, and then I'm going to talk about the solution for it. So previously what happened, this is by Jupyter notebook. Okay, we imported the OS module. Now if you want to delete something, for example, I have this destination folder that I created in the last videos. So if I want to delete this, so what we did is, let me show you what this folder contains. So we can double click it, or else what we can do, we can do os.list directory, we can do destination, and we have three files over here. Okay, if you want to cross verify more, you can just check, we have three files over here. Now what happened when we did os.rmdir and we gave destination? So we got an error saying that the directory is not empty, and hence we were not able to delete it. So to solve this problem, there is another library that I have demonstrated in the previous videos, that is nothing but the shutil library. So if we import shutil and if we do shutil dot remove rm tree, there is nothing but remove tree, and if we give this destination and if I press enter, see, it is able to delete this whole folder and all the files in it. So isn't that pretty awesome thing to do? Now I have one doubt that I didn't check yet. Okay, when I do any delete functionality, does it sends this file to the recycle bin or does it completely deletes them? I am going to check that and I am going to update you just now. So this is my recycle bin and it is completely empty. So this functionality deletes the file permanently from my system. Let's cross verify again. So we have the source file over here. Let me copy this and let me paste it over here. Let me give it a name such as destination, or maybe I can give it dest. Okay, so the dest contains three files, three wallpapers, and if I do rm3 shutil.rm3 test, and if I open, okay, it got deleted from here, and if I open my recycle bin, see, it deletes the file permanently. Okay, so it's like we have to be very careful when we are dealing with these things. It deletes them permanently. So do we have any flag to control this? I have to check that, but it deletes them permanently, like you can't recover the files anymore. So one thing that I learned today, and you guys also learned out of curiosity. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys are enjoying the small simple things in Python that we can do. We can do more. Actually, there are many things that we can do. So I will try to post this kind of videos as much as I can, as much as I'm learning. If I'm learning anything new, I'm going to share them. And I hope you guys are enjoying, and show your enjoyment by liking that button. And if you have any kind of doubts or your code is not working for your operating system, just tell me in the comment section below. I will be reading all your comments. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. I'm going to see you in the upcoming video.